Have an old photo of your family or friends just sitting there in your gallery? Imagine if you could bring it to life. Literally. Yup, you can now add motion to any old photo using AI, and the results are kinda magical. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using a free tool called Vidu AI. Step 1. Go to Vidu AI. First, open your browser and head over to vidu.ai. Step 2. Find Photo in Motion template. Once you're there, look for a template called Photo in Motion. This is what we'll use to bring your photo to life. Step 3. Upload your old photo. Click on the template, then hit Upload to add your old photo. This works best with portraits or group photos, like family pictures or old friends. Now, just tap on Create. The AI will take a few seconds to process, and then boom! Your still photo now has motion. Eyes blinking, a gentle breeze, even lifelike movement. It's honestly surprising how realistic it looks, like you've frozen a moment from the past and gave it new life. So that's how you can easily add motion to your old photos using AI in just 1 minute. Try it with your childhood pics or grandparents and see what memories you can reawaken. If you want to learn more about Vidu AI, watch this video. Like this tip? Subscribe for more easy AI photo tutorials. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.